Well, now the question that we have is that which actually it is this indices. Indices is the plural of index. So if we have several of index, then we call them indices. So the question is simplify m cubed n raised to power negative 6 all over m raised to power negative 4 n raised to power 7 divided by m raised to power 5 n raised to power negative 9 all over m raised to power negative 2 n raised to power 4. Like that. So you are asked to simplify. You are asked to simplify this particular expression. Yes, you are asked to simplify. So in simplifying, what then we'll need to do, just like I've said, that's indices. Now that I've started doing this, let me just write the date. And these are, so it's 14th of November 2024. 14th of November 2024, right. So, first thing, let me say solution. So the first thing that I love to do is to try to see how I can simplify. And I see that this is m cubed times n raised to power negative 6. Now, that this is n raised to power negative 6, it means that it is 1 over n raised to power 6. So what should happen is that we should be subtracting the powers. And if we do that, so let's take the first case of n. We have m raised to power 3, but we also have some m raised to power negative this. So in effect, if I take care of this, I should be having m raised to power 7, because 3 minus 4 is 7. So I've taken care of m in that particular case. Now I want to take care of n. I want to take care of n itself because there's this divisor here. So I'll first write n, but it's now minus 6 minus 7. Minus 6 minus 7, that's minus 13. So I get minus 13. Divide by, now this. So I will have, first, let me take care of m. And I see it is raised to power 7, since 5 minus 2 is 7. Then I also come here and I see n raised to power minus 9 and this 4. So minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13. So again have n raised to power minus 13. And I see that this is 1. So, well, it is 1. That's the answer. And however short it looks, you require the right laws of indices to get to it. So that's one way that we can use to arrive to that particular answer as fast as we have seen. So what you needed to do is to remember that if you have, there are lots of indices that you need to remember. And like it says, a raised to power n over a raised to power m is a raised to power n minus m. Now this is the law that we have used. That's the law of indices that I've made use of here. Yeah, that's what I've made use of here. Actually, that's the only law of indices that I've made use of to get to this. So that's the answer. And if for some reason you need some clarity, or you need to be guided on step by step on how to master the laws of indices, I urge you to visit our website, that is Mathematics, Economics and Finance Online School. Once you visit our website, kindly follow the category that that applies to you, and you'll find that in that particular category, we've got a lot of free resources to assist you, apart from the resources that you at least access upon paying some small token. And but much of this material you are going to find it free immediately you visit our website and find the category that applies to you. We also have customized online tuition that makes you in charge, so that you choose your time on when you want to take the classes, and it is topic based. So visit our website so that you have familiarity with how to handle some of these questions before your exam day gets near. So up to there, I urge you to follow me to my next video.